couples massage at our villa along these beautiful rice terraces. We didn't have to go anywhere. We woke up, we were served breakfast, and then we got massages. So got to jump in the pool right behind me, cool off a little bit before we depart from Ubud to Denpasar. And I think Amanda's coming around the corner. She's gonna hate that we're filming this, but that's okay. There she is.
Hi.
The beautiful glowing passport
Glowing.
princess. You are glowing, my dear.
So are you. We are good.
Golden boy and pony girl. Look how pretty you look.
Oh, because I'm glowing.
You feel so good. You're glistening. How do you feel after your massage in the villa?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I think that was the best massage I've ever had.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
They know exactly what to do.
I know.
2, 3. Guys, this place is no joke. This is the 3rd time we've gotten food from Nini Warung. 3rd time. Nini Warung. 3rd time. Barbecue pork ribs. More barbecue pork ribs. Corn fritters. Sauce, extra barbecue galore. And I have fried banana and ice cream in the fridge. So stoked. It's so good. 3 times in 3 days. Oh, and a very needy cat. Hello, pussycat. You would, little beggar. You kick at my ribs.